Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best floor lamps in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Teamson Home Arquer Real Marble Base Modern LED Arc Floor Lamp Tall Standing Hanging Light with Bell Shade for Living Room Reading Bedroom Home Office. 67-inch height, chrome. Modern, floor lamp. Features a classic chrome finish for a modern update to any space. Provides versatile light, curved arm, floor rocker switch, and bell-shaped shade. Make it a versatile lighting solution for reading or to add a soft glow to your bedroom, office, or living area. Quick to assemble and clean. Includes step-by-step instructions for easy assembly and cleaning. Complete your collection. Purchase alone or with a high-quality Teamson side table and chair for a complete reading nook. Efficient size. Measures 43.3 x 11.81 x 66.93. To add a stylish light source to almost any space in your home and uses a 50-watt type E26 base, 110V bulb, not included. Number 4. Traditional metal adjustable pharmacy floor lamp swing arm 54, tall aged brass metal shade standing pole light for living room reading house bedroom home office. Adjustable from 44 to 54 high. Base is 9 wide. Shade is 8 wide x 5.5. Deep x 3.25 high. From center pole to outside edge of shade is 20. Weighs 13 ounces. Uses one maximum 60-watt standard medium base bulb, not included. On-off switch on lamp head. Traditional adjustable swing arm pharmacy floor lamp from the Regency Hill brand. Adjustable height and swing arm. Lamp head is not adjustable. Place next to a favorite reading chair or sofa. Aged brass finish. Metal construction. 6-foot-long black cord with a black finish plug. For something a little more traditional, try a task lamp, like this one that design historian Alessandra Wood recommends. I love a good pharmacy lamp, she says, adding that because of its classic look, this will always be in style. Number 3. GeoOFO Floor Lamp 30W/2000 400 LM Sky LED. Modern Torchiere 3 color temperatures, super bright tall standing pole light, with remote and touch control for living room, bedroom, office, black. Multiple control ways. With the remote control, you can easily control the floor lamp without leaving the sofa and warm bed. With a 32.8 feet/10 meters range add-on touch control. Stepless brightness adjustment brightness from 5% to 100% by long touch. Using life longer 20% than others. With high brightness and low heat LED advanced technology, it has the brightness of a 200W incandescent lamp. Long-term use will not heat up as it's made up of the acrylic materials. The light has a lifetime of up to 100,000 hours at the right current and voltage, which means lower maintenance and replacement costs. Totally save money and energy. 3 color temperatures. Number 2. LPODVER Wood Tripod Floor Lamp, Mid-Century Standing Lamp. Modern design studying light for living room, bedroom, study room and office. Flaxen lamp shade with E26 lamp base. High-quality material. The lamp is integrated with high-quality nature rubber wood tripod, which is enduring, durable, and aesthetic. Its sturdy design makes it wobble-free and safe to have around children and pets. Stylish design. LPODVER wooden tripod lamp fits in modern architecture and decor. It has a unique stem with 3 wooden holders that makes the lamp stable enough. Its rounded linen lamp shade looks gorgeous and modern in almost any room in your home or office. Bulb requirements. Bulb is not included in the package. With an E26 size screw base, the bulb can be installed as desired. To get a better lighting effect, we suggest you using LED bulb 10W12W, energy-saving bulb 12W20W, incandescent bulb 40W60W, 60W-MX. Number 1. Brightech Maxwell. Modern shelf floor lamp with lamp shade and LED bulb. Corner display floor lamps with shelves for living room, bedroom, and office. Havana Brown. AliExA compatible floor lamp with 20-year life LED bulb. Brightex shelf lamp includes a 9.5 watt power-saving LED light with 20,000 hour life, or about 20 years use. That saves you 85% of the cost of halogen or incandescent bulbs. This office lamp also can work with smart outlets that are Alexa, Google Home Assistant, /Mini, or Apple SmartKit enabled to turn on/off. Smart bulb and / or outlet required, sold separately. Triple storage lamp and shelf combo. This durable tall lamp with stable structure, high loading, lends a soft ambient glow to contemporary spaces while providing a 3-tier display shelving for added convenience. Style and function combine to brighten up your room and provide a storage or display area for vases, books, or other items. Utilize the convenience of this floor lamp in your bedroom, living room, guest room, foyer, or office.